So these are all the icons. Okay, see, this is the all the symbols of or the icon, different application, different software or install in our computer. This is our task start button. This is what start button. You will see the different programs currently most useful program is display here. This is the all the currently useful software. Okay, all the application. Here you will get the file explorer. Okay, see, in a file explorer, desktop, download folder, document folder, pictures folder, or any other folders. Okay. Sorry. So setting in a second option, settings, setting, inside the settings there are many options available. System settings, okay, device settings, network settings, personalized settings, account, all these settings are available here. Okay, so here in this settings there are all those available settings for the operating system. Next one is our power option. In a power option you can sleep, shut down and restart. If you want to restart the computer, so you can click on the restart. Okay, if you want to shut down, okay, no need to work now long time. Okay, so you can shut down and sleep. So you can just in a sleep option you will get the just screen will be off but computer is going on. Okay, computer will not shut down but screen is only off. That is called meaning of a sleep. Okay, now and all apps, so you will get the all the installed apps you will see here. Okay, in your computers. So okay, so many options, so many application available here. Okay, according to your requirement, if you install a menu application, so that will display here in this list of application according to the alphabetic order. Okay, M N O P Q R according to your requirement or the software. Understand? So these are the start button and these are some different application or different software installed here according by the operating system. Okay, there are some games, some weather related details. Okay, some Play Store here, Office here, OneNote here. Okay, music related, mail related, calendar related, all the applications are here, news related. Okay, so these are the desktop icon. This is called our screen desktop. Okay, this is called our what, screen desktop, and this is the desktop icons, all the desktop icon. This blank area, that is called our desktop. Now this is a search bar. Okay, you can search, like suppose I want a notepad, then I type here notepad, so you will get the notepad. Okay, so any program you want, you can search from here, search bar. Okay, you will search from the search bar option. This is our Windows Internet Explorer browser. Okay, this is a Google Chrome, this is a Play Store, this is the pin program, means you can directly fast access from here. This is our taskbar. This is what, this is a taskbar. Okay, here this is the start button. This is the date and time calendar option. Okay, you can change the date and time from here, or if you want to see the what is the time, current time. Okay, current time, date. Okay, you can check the date and time. If you want to change the date and time settings, so you can click here date and time settings. Okay,